Okay, guys, so here is what your email will look like when I have sent it to you. And all you will do is you'll double click on it and it will come up with like a screen that looks similar to this. You will then click the download button and it will download to the left-hand side of your screen down here. And you will hit open. It will open the file for you and you'll want to hit enable editing. Now it will look similar to this. This is how we can print and all of that. So we'll go to the file, go down to print. This is where we need to make some changes to our printer settings. So you'll want to make sure that if you go to print all slides, that printing all slides is selected. So make sure that's selected. Then you'll want to go down to full page slides. You're going to want to make some changes if it doesn't have a check mark next to it already. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit scale to fit paper. And now it's going to scale each page to the width of the paper. And once you have done that, all you do is hit print and it will print to your printer. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any other questions and I will be happy to help you.